Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is Jason with Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is absolutely gorgeous out, and we've had some very, very cold temperatures for November. We've had teens, which is abnormal. As of right now, we have the second coldest November on record books. That is unbelievable. And we've been dealing with snow. But what we've been dealing with too is trying to finish up our winterizer treatment. And today in the Head Lawn Coaches Report, what I want to talk about is how important the winterizer treatment is. What is a winterizer treatment? A winterizer treatment is a treatment that we're putting down a granular fertilizer that is all nitrogen. And it is so important that we can get this down because this is the key ingredient in greening things up in the spring, because we're going to store all that nitrogen in the plant. And then as soon as the soil temps hit about 55 degrees in the spring, all that energy is just going to start popping and we're going to have awesome color. That is why the winterizer treatment is so important. So your pro tip of the week is we need to make sure that we're getting the leaves chopped up, mulching those leaves, cleaning up everything so we can get that winterizer treatment down and so we can have an early, quick green up in the spring. That is what everything is about. This is one of the most important treatments of the season, and I just want to make sure everybody can get the winterizer treatment all taken care of. And if you're going to do it yourself, you need to go and get it down, and we usually like to have the winterizer treatment done usually by Christmas. So we still have plenty of time to get everything taken care of, but we need to make sure that we're getting those leaves picked up. So make sure that we're mulching all those leaves, chopping everything up, and don't worry about picking them up. We need to mulch them. Get those babies mulched up and keep all those nutrients on the turf. Mulch everything up. And if you're absolutely loaded with leaves and we absolutely have to pick them up, it's okay. But you can still mulch everything up a couple times and then bag everything. Very simple. But the most important thing, let's clean everything up so we can get that winterizer treatment all taken care of. That is your Head Lawn Coaches Report today. And don't forget, you can visit our website, heritagelawnskc.com. heritagelawnskc.com. Click right here, heritagelawnskc.com. And if you ever have any more questions, please give us a call, 913-451-4664. I greatly appreciate it. And don't forget, 913-451-4664. Have a wonderful day. And this is Jason with Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. Have a great day. Subscribe right here because I don't want you to miss anything because you're very important to us. Subscribe.